Samsung is going big with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 storage options and colors are confirmed, and you might see some colors that were expected and some were not expected. And we even get a shocking storage options for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and you may get even disappointed. The unpack event for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be in August. That will also brings up the Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. And some rumors are expecting Z Fold 4 on August 10th and 16th of August will be its pre-order date. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 may come with the 4 colors and that is confirmed. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below which color would you want to get in the Z Fold 4 and which storage option. The king of leaker Evan Bloss shared an image on his Twitter account stating the Z Fold 4 color options alongside with the storage option in the Z Fold 4. The Z Fold 4 mainly come with the 4 color options: beige, burgundy red, gray green and phantom black. We got several leaks regarding the red color and the only gray color option, but it turns out the Samsung is trying something new with the Z Fold 4 and comes with unusual name gray green. And this was expected since the previous rumors were stating towards the green color but not gray green. The storage option is what makes all the difference. Back in the days, Z Fold came with the 512 gigs of base variant, then Z Fold 2 introduced the 256 gigs of version, and now for the first time ever in the foldable lineup, Samsung is going to introduce the 128 gigs version in the Z Fold 4. So there will be 3 options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, and 512 gigs. But where is 1TB version? While in the Evan Bloss document there is no 1TB version, the chances are Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 1TB version will be limited to certain markets or this list is incomplete. Since a lot of rumors are pointing towards the Z Fold 4 1TB version, this is clear that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 1TB version will be limited and 1TB version will be certainly launched in South Korea and other selected markets. Now due to these storage options, Samsung may cut the cost on the Z Fold 4 and come with the cheapest foldable phone from its lineup. The least we can expect from the 128 gigs version is around $1699 and other models will be around them. The design on the Z Fold 4 will be the same and even the back camera housing is just like the Z Fold 3, but you can expect a bit wider outer display and bit wider inner display and big camera updates, which turns Z Fold 4 a complete package for the users of Z Fold 4. 50 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel telephoto with the 3x zoom, which is best so far, 10 megapixel selfie camera and 4 megapixel under display camera. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below which color you would want to get in the Z Fold 4 and which storage option. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.